And now we'll connect our lines, our dots, since we have marked them all. We can now connect. Okay. We measure 6. 6. We measure 6 centimeters there, and then we will now use our 30 degrees here. You can measure 6 here too. Draw a vertical line. You connect this line too. You measure 6 also here. Now, basically, our shape has been gotten. Okay, we're left with one point here, which is this. The part for the 12. Now I've gotten all the points. We begin to bring out our shape. See, I will now thickening our lines carefully. Don't get confused. So now you see, this is your shape, this is your object which you want to draw. So now what is next? You have your extension lines already. It's just your dimension line, and that is it. Your dimension line, your scale, and your arrowhead. So begin to put it from what we were given from here. You see, they look very similar. Okay. So now begin to do it. Okay, and there you have it. This is your shape, very similar, right? Now we'll now go to the orthographic projection. So they told us third angle projection, right? So now earlier we discussed about projection, angle projection. I made mention of how it works. Your first angle, when you are doing first angle projection, here is depicted as your front view. Here is depicted as your front view. So in your third angle projection, your first angle projection, this is where your front view will be. You switch it. This is where your side view will be, and your top view or your plan view will be down here. So now in third angle projection now, as here is your front view become below here. Your side view become here, and your top view become here. So if your front view was here from the drawing, that means your side view, your top view now will be here, your side view will be here. Sorry, your front view will be here, your side view here, and your top view will be here. And why here, your front view will now become here, your side view will become here, and your top view will become here. So that's it. So we'll simply do the same thing here. So it's basically taking this shape and then drawing it in a 2D format. And just like I said earlier, your visualization plays an important role here. So we'll divide our destiny into 4 sections, right? 4 sections. Now we take our scale. If you want to even make it better, you make a rough sketch of it. So from the sketch, this is what it looks like. This is your side view, this is your top view, and this is your front view. So now we'll now begin drawing it actually. So I just made some, basic sketch. It's just an easy way to get this thing, but you can represent it in different ways. In my next video, you will see an elaborate method on how this actually works. So so now we'll not put our measurements, right? It starts with 16. First off, we measure 16 millimeters as it suggests there. 16 millimeters first. Then you now measure 12 millimeters next. and then you measure 8 millimeters. You do the same here to the side, to this side, or to just make it easier, you put it in this side, 16 millimeters. You measure 12 millimeters. You measure and 8 millimeters.